Returning now, though, to our top story, New York Attorney General Letitia James has been indicted on 2 counts by a federal grand jury in Alexandria, Virginia. The charges are 1 count of bank fraud and 1 count of false statements to a financial institution. Joining us now is former federal prosecutor Scott Fredericksen. So, Scott, I appreciate you being here tonight with this breaking news. I want to get your first read on what the U.S. attorney in this case was able to secure from the grand jury.
Well, I think 2 things right off the bat, Kelly. First, we have the same concerning issues that we have in the Comey indictment. Number 1, the career experienced professionals in that office, including the U.S. attorney who was forced out, decided there was insufficient evidence to bring this case, and they declined to bring this case, and they were essentially fired. And a political aide with a total of 0 prosecutorial experience has come in and now gotten this indictment too. So that's a strong warning signal. And 2, based on reports, you know, this is a criminal charge for bank fraud, essentially on the mortgage application. Well, any young prosecutor learns early on there are hundreds of thousands of mortgage applications that have errors on them throughout the United States every day. We don't use the criminal law to enforce any issues there. Banks can sue if they feel aggrieved. It's only when you have actual fraud, a scheme to defraud a bank of their funds. So let me preview what a short trial like this would look like. As soon as the government tries to prove its case by putting on the bank which holds the mortgage, the defense is going to ask, so you still have this mortgage? Yes. Is it being paid? Yes. Have you lost any money? No. At any time, have you been defrauded of money? No. Are you happy with this mortgage? Yes. Well, did you bring a complaint about this mortgage? Were you misled about this? No. We learned in other documents that she, you know, what was going to be done with this house. Did you bring a complaint to the FBI? No. To any law enforcement? No. Well, that case is dead on arrival as soon as that line of questioning. And that's why experienced prosecutors don't bring these kinds of cases. And that's why the professional prosecutors in this office said, we don't want to bring this case. It's insufficient on its face.
Though, to be fair, when Letitia James's office brought that case against Trump, you know, the banks were asked the same thing. And they said, you know, we were happy with it. Hey, he paid everything. We were made whole. But to your point,
Sure.
though, I think some folks will say that, you know, this is politically motivated. I actually, in preparation for our conversation, I talked to folks on either side. Some say, well, she broke the law. There should be an indictment. Some say the president's being outspoken. Could she try to get this dismissed as malicious prosecution and sort of cite the Comey indictment as a pattern?
No doubt she could. Kelly, let me just set the record, kind of the correct perspective. The case that Letitia James brought in New York was a civil case, not trying to put anybody in prison, deprive them of their liberty, put them in a court where they may end up going to prison. That's what this case is. Bringing a criminal indictment is the most serious matter that the law encompasses, and that's what happened here. The case in New York was a civil case for money alone. And that's all. So it's a huge difference. There's a false equivalence there, not the same thing by any stretch of the imagination. And 2, yes, you know, the president's statements, including, you know, he posted on social and apparently emailed his attorney general, Pam, you know, we got to get moving. We've got to bring these cases against Comey and Letitia James, as well as Senator Schiff. All of that provides pretty strong evidence of potential vindictive prosecution.
Yeah, no, it's important context. Certainly, this is going to be a lot more over the next few weeks as this unfolds. Scott Fredericksen, really appreciate your time today.
You bet.